forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. It's your girl Deezer. So guys, I am at the airport, London Gatwick. I'm going back to Jamaica. Yeah, I've been in England for just over a month now, and it's time to go back. So I'm at the airport, but guys, I've just done my COVID test at the airport, so wish me luck. So I'm just waiting. So I did do the PCR test, because you don't need the PCR test to go back to Jamaica. You can do the antigen test or the lateral flow. I paid £35 for it, and I get the results after 30 minutes. So I just came to the airport a little bit earlier, did my lateral flow test or antigen test. So I've got about 15 more minutes to wait till I get my results, and then if all being well, I can go and check in, and that's that. Yeah, I think a lot of people think that you need to get the PCR test, which is a lot more expensive. You don't. To go to Jamaica anyway. Lateral flow or antigen is fine. So I'm just waiting, a bit anxious, but I did take an antigen test, a home test, before I came. Antigen test before I left home, you know, one of the home kits, and that came up fine. So hopefully the results will be good. So that's it. Yeah, I'm going back to Jamaica. I'm going back home, coming back home. Can't wait to see Outlaw, can't wait to see everybody else. Yeah, England's been good, but I'm ready to go back home. Yes, so I'll take you along the journey with me, as always.
I know my people tell us I'm mobile there, you know. And me have grown and look what I go on. Right between all these herbs and spices, watch there. Dutch pot for kilo in a heavy size, in the quantity Dutch pot, watch there. Watch my people. People remember them spoon and them fork, yeah? Remember them spoon and them fork, the people. That's something I don't know, that's something them busy, remember it? See there, watch it. Everything in the back right there, so straight medicine. See them there? Some more the seaweed there. See them there? That's something there? Yes! Irish mash. Like that. See it there? You pat them the people. Straight. See them there? You pat them in the people. Straight pat. You know, left that them pot here. The fire fish and them big pot. They been big out Dutch pot. They want big pot of soup and them something. See them there? Good. You also see them something on my people. So what's up? Really, you know? I go back on your knees very now. See them there? Right, that's all. Them call that avocado. Now also Jamaican style of pear that. I when I want it a pear, see them, I still pear. When you get one, I still pear. Oh. So them my peeps. And them mango here. If you eat off two of them mango here. If you eat off two of them mango here, people. Craving, you're craving. Another prayers, do you think?
Oh, yeah, do something.
Yes, that's something there. Yeah, my people, see them there? The mango them there. Montego Bay Market, me, you know. I mean, I get some roots, my people them. You know, to get some herbs, my people them, some herbal things. See them there? Pear pot, some big pot in a place where we cook up all or something, you know. Good. Another prayers. You see? Nice bag of tomato, my people. Some red peas beside it, the real local red peas. See them there? Soft like cotton candy, I'm if I tell you. It take long to cook. Jamaican peas not take long to cook, man. Some peas I them try with. No. See them the peeps. And them prayers.
So yes everybody, I received my COVID test, and sorry it's a bit blurry. I received my COVID test and it was negative, yes. So I'm good to go. And I'm just in one of the restaurants waiting to get something to eat, and then I've got quite a bit of time to wait, and then obviously go through departure gates and take my flight. So yeah, quick update, COVID test came back negative, so I'm good to fly. Yeah.
Daddy, it would be on new road.
Every kind of bush where medicine is concerned, alright, that's right there. See them there? Everything there is up. So the bungalow people, you know one normal bungalow. See them there? All of the bush there. Whatever bush you want for your ailment or whatever, medicinal purpose, alright, that's right there. Oh, some mama everything I say, something I'm thinking too. Something when I'm thinking to people. Master God. Thinking to the head there. So then the people, you talk about bush, see bush there.
First time they go come in later and you buy from people. I can't go on with the yam. I see them 150 and 150.
See them people?
You're not to worry.
Pay medicine this, straight medicine this people. See them there?
You're not to worry yourself. People that come from
Okay, you know what is that? See all of you ready?
from there.
See them how Cinco Bible, see them there? Pay medicine, them back to thinking to us, see them? All them something there, see them there? One piece of roots that are one piece of medicine that no normal around there, see them there? See them root there? Straight roots. Everything the right is a pay medicine, medicinal purpose. Now cook roots. That's not simple cook roots right there. The whole thing the people. Them there? Straight. Experiment and see that. Good for everything, same way. Good. Search in the corner around the side, the whole works. Don't see that? In the package up. Medicine. Straight. Yeah, my people, see them there. Straight medicine. Them there. They have them thing there. Bitters them there. They are bitters. Work. Look at that. Yeah, my people. They are them bag there. One bag of medicine that my people. See that ginger there? One different kind of ginger that the one hotter, harsher than the rest. See there? Different kind of ginger that my people. The one there harsher than the rest. Straight. See all them root there. See all them root there. Straight medicine, everything where they are. All them stuff like that. Cut up and turn that pot with water. Medicine. If you know what you have to do, you know. See them there? Straight medicine, the people. And as I'm prayers. Man, as I'm prayers, you know. That's what we have. It was meant to be.
Back together again, people. Back together again. Feature.
Give thanks to life. You know, everybody, every man need a wife.
So guys, yes, I'm back in Jamaica. Back. Yeah.
Safely back.
Yes.
Give thanks to life.
Definitely.
Yeah, you must rain off all of the people.
Yeah.
It's a most blessing. I couldn't curse.
I'm gonna show
most
you.
blessing.
I'm gonna show you. Yeah, people, it's raining.
Crazy rain of
heavy. Yeah.
Creating normal water. We get good rainwater up on the road. Seriously. But it's a most blessing. That's the thing going on. Father God no for work, you know. There's a whole nigga out the road, you see. They put on some something for the good people. Master God, I wash out the whole of that right now. I'm going to tell you. I chop with them said that not good. Anyway, people will chat, look more down the road. We are on the way. Good time for life. Deezer is back. On the track. Oh, that's something there, Pete. Another prayers, another day. We give up thanks for another day in Jamaica.
Hello, everybody. It's the second day since I've been back.
They know the first time she go up on the road, she'll get back her party done.
People, what do you see?
She's up the way there and she never got it.
No.
So she will come back to Jamaica for going to eat party.
That's it. What time is it? 9 o'clock?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock in the morning. I arrived yesterday and I had to run on the road, do some stuff. But people, back to my original juicy beef patty. Not like the one I had in England if you saw that vlog. Yeah, back to the original.
Sure.
That's good, yeah.
Sure. We give thanks to life.
Yeah.
Get back my wife.
People.
This
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.